In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter billable time for employees and contractors in QuickBooks Online, a process that should only take about 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a small business or handling the accounts for a larger company, keeping track of billable hours is crucial for accurate invoicing and payroll. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to sign into your QuickBooks Online account. This is your gateway to managing your financials seamlessly in the cloud, allowing you to work from anywhere at any time. Once you've navigated to the login page, choose QuickBooks Online from the options available. This selection will direct you to the specific login for QuickBooks Online services. Now type in your credentials. These normally consist of your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. After entering this information, click Continue to proceed and access your dashboard. With QuickBooks now open, head over to the plus New button. This button is prominently displayed and acts as your starting point for adding any new entries or records within your accounting system. Clicking this button will give you a range of options depending on your needs. From this menu, choose Single Time Activity. This option allows you to log the time spent by either an employee or a contractor on a particular task or project. It is essential for accurately billing your clients and compensating your workforce. Next up is setting the date for the time entry. You can do so by selecting the date from the calendar, ensuring it reflects when the work took place. Keeping accurate records helps maintain a precise billing cycle. Now select the employee name from the drop-down menu under the name section. This should list all your employees and contractors. Simply click on the relevant name to continue. Correctly assigning the entry to the right person is crucial for both reporting and billing accuracy. Afterwards, you need to enter the cost rate per hour. This is the rate at which your employee or contractor is paid or billed. Setting the right rate ensures your costs and profits are accurately reflected. Following this, select the applicable customer or project you are tracking the time for. This connection establishes the link between the work done and the client or project it's tied to, enabling billability. If you intend to bill the customer for these hours, make sure you select billable hour and then enter the correct billable rate. This rate should be what you charge the client for the time spent. Once everything is set, it's time to enter the exact time worked. This information combined with the rate calculates the total cost or charge. Don't forget to include a description. This gives context to the work done, which is especially helpful for client understanding and future reference. Finally, select Save and Close. This action finalizes your entry, ensuring all the information you've provided is securely stored and integrated into your records. It's always a good idea to double check everything before hitting save to avoid any discrepancies later on. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to entering billable time in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to keep your records updated to enhance the accuracy of your financial data.